Hi my friends, I'm here at the Reptile room and we have a really fun and exciting project that we're working on today. Look at this bathroom. Hi, it is so yucky. When we first moved in here, these walls were like a pea yellow color. It was so gross. So the first thing I did was paint it white, but you can see it probably needs one or two more coats. And I chose eggshell because that's really trendy and a fun thing to have more of a flat finish, but that's not good for a bathroom because you can't clean eggshell very well. So I switched to satin. We're going to repaint this whole room, and then we're doing so when you walk in, we're going to do a super fun mural on this whole wall. We're doing new tile on the floor, and I have a new vanity and a new faucet. I am just super excited. It's gonna look so much better. I was in here one day scrubbing everything down. Can you see my face? I was in here scrubbing everything down, and after I was done scrubbing it from top to bottom, it still looked so gross. So that's when I decided we really need to do something different with this bathroom. So yay, new tiles, new vanity, new faucet, new paint, and an amazing mural on this wall. I'm so excited. And we have a projector screen up because painted my hair because we wanted to obviously trace this design that I made that's so cute, but it was too tiny. So we're gonna try cutting a hole through this wall to see if we can set the projector outside the bathroom and have it project even bigger. We'll see, wish us luck. So we're gonna patch these up before Clinty sees, and Rachel's gonna try freehanding, right, Rachel?
We're gonna do what we can.
Okay, our patch is almost dry and ready for a second coat. I'm gonna open this paint can so you can see what color one of the paints we're doing is. Are you ready? Here we go. Can you see that? What do you think?
Ooh!
Nice, right? I hope it looks good. Rachel did this awesome grid. We're both shorties. And now she's just drawing on our design. It's gonna take twice as long without the projector, but you do what you can. You have to go with the flow sometimes. Look how good it's looking. Yes, I'm so excited. Getting hungry, so I'm walking down Springville Main Street to a little restaurant to get some lunch, and I'll show you some progress on the bathroom. It's looking so good. Rachel's freehanding it because I'm really good at recruiting talented people. She's doing amazing. I can't wait to show it to you. Okay, see you in a sec. This is what it looks like when you walk in. You'll see this right to your left. All the way up. Isn't that so fun? I'm getting really excited about it. It's so cute. Rachel free-handed these animals on. So we did it with a dry erase marker because with the magic erasers, with these little guys, the green marker comes off really, really easily. And I've actually been trying out two different pens. I've been trying out the Painter's brand, and it's acrylic based pen, and then the Sharpie brand, and this one's actually oil based. Up here you can see I put the oil based on top, and I was gonna let it dry completely and then come in with that magic eraser and see if I can get the green off underneath without pulling off the black paint. And then I was sort of thinking, I'll have to see what Rachel thinks, but I was sort of thinking of continuing this little green blob up above the toilet a little bit, just to help it blend into the rest of the room. I thought that might be kind of fun. And this is going to be Lilith, the king cobra. So I was thinking of like starting her here above the toilet and having her come down like that, just to put in a lot of movement, make it feel a little bit more dynamic. So we'll have to see what Rachel thinks, because she's the one drawing them. I could never in a million years just freehand this on a wall. She's so amazing. Hi everyone, it's day 2 at the room today. Bright and early. We are working on the bathroom still working on that beautiful mural wall, trying to get it done. After that, we'll be installing the vanity and the new faucet. And once that's complete, we'll go down to the floor, which is gonna really make that bathroom pop. I'm so excited. Hi, Big Daddy. Are you out looking for the sun? Oh, you are a good boy, Big Daddy. You're a good boy. Everyone loves you. Yes. I always have to say hi to my tortoises when I come through here. Hi, Tort. How are you today? How are you today, buddy? You're pretty nervous still, huh? You're just a nervous little guy. Hi, Tortellini. What a good baby. You're cute. Everyone loves you. And look who I just spotted out basking. Gusserton. Hi, Gus. Hey, Gus. You're cute. Are you taking one now? Hey, buddy. Clint has the kids at home and I gotta run home and rescue him because he has some parties coming up. Okay, I just wanted to show this to you really quick. I'm done with day 2. The mural, the mural, don't want to show you yet. The mural is done. So now we just have the floor and the vanity and the faucet. Hello, it's day 3 of our bathroom reno project, and I am really excited because my dad said that you would come and help install the vanity today. Is it perfect? Dun 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 dun. Oh my. Perfection. You're amazing. Come on, babe. Hi.
She had one of these in each hand, and it just seemed like she would walk.
Oh, there's my mom. Go get the door for Grandma. Okay, you won't walk for Mommy. It's looking so good. Apparently we need some different pipes under here, so. We are on our 3rd trip to the hardware store to get the right size. What is this, sink trap? I want to call this a J-hook, but that's not what this is, a sink trap. We need, I swear, these projects always take way longer and are a much bigger production than you think they are.
She left her home to find where she belongs. Mother's scared to leave her all alone, but she got time and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you regret it too much. Just wait, I will find you someday. So there's a saying, yeah, she does not know that everything she got from her. You got time, and you know what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday. I will find you someday. Just wait, I will find you someday.
Hi, I'm here at home and I have no idea what day it is, but let me turn this camera around and show you. I have all of these little rubber baseboards laid out and ready to be spray painted. I've scrubbed them down and washed them. I tried to scrub the paint off if I could, and I'm going to spray it with this Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover paint and primer and matte and see how it goes. Wow, we'll have to see how that dries, but that went on really easily. That was awesome. I'm trying to wait for those guys to dry before I do another coat, but I keep checking on them. They're looking really, really good. I'm getting excited. Look at this bathroom. Like somebody just got a marker and wrote it on. We wanted it to look purposeful. And one thing that kind of happened as a happy accident is I was erasing the dry erase marker under here and I got like this, some of the paint came up and I was like, I actually think that's really cute. I think I want to do that on all of the words to make it look like it was a stamp, that all of the letters that are bouncing up and down and not quite perfect are like that on purpose. I spent extra time to erase this oil-based marker to get that stamped look on there, and I think it adds a lot. It has been such a fun project and I've been able to get so many talented people involved, and I am just so happy with how it turned out. Thank you so much for joining me today, my friends. Thank you for being here, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!